Hare Krishna devotees. So welcome to this tutorial video. Here what we are going to learn about a very beautiful tal which come in the category of Druta. Druta means fast. So this is generally called as 2-beat fast. Okay, and it is also called as Drut Lofa Taal. Drut Lofa Taal. Okay, so where it is played, we have learned Dadra Tal in the previous tutorial videos. Okay, so when that kirtan become fast, okay, so there this Drut Lofa Tal can be applied. For example, Jagannath Ashtakam is there. When the Jagannath Ashtakam become fast, Jagannath Swami Nayana Patagami Bhavatu me. In the middle of the stanzas, when we play it fast, that time this can be used. Okay, and also in the Damodar Ashtakam, in the fast phase, it can be used. And any kirtan you are playing with the 2-beat slow, which Lofa Tal, which we are going to learn in the upcoming video. So this fast beat for the 2-beat kirtan is much easier. So I thought we will learn this first, then we will learn the slow Lofa Tal later. So remember, this is called as Drut Lofa Taal or 2-beat fast. So I will show you how it sounds in kirtan first. Jagannath Swami Nayana Patagami Bhavatu me. Jagannath Swami Nayana Patagami Bhavatu me. Damodar Ashtakam. Hare Krishna Hare Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare. Okay, many kirtans are there, but we will stick to Vaishnava songs and Hare Krishna kirtans, standard Hare Krishna kirtans. Okay, now we will go ahead with the mantra. Okay, what is the mantra? Dhin tata ghe dhata. Dhin tata ghe dhata. Okay, please remember in which tune I sing the mantra also, because that is how we have to practice playing. See, Dhin tata ghe dhata, dhin tata ghe dhata. So this is how you remember the tune in the mind. So Dhin is, I will show how it is. Ta. There is difference. First ta is normal ta. The second ta is bigger ta, T-double-A. So in that both hands we have to play. Okay, only that much is the difference. Let's see one by one. So Dhin is big side open. Dhin plus one finger out. So why I told this is easy, because throughout the beat we are going to play only one finger on the right hand side or the smaller side. So this is Dhin. 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 Then ta, one finger out on the smaller side, right side, nothing on the left side. Okay, sorry. So Dhin ta, 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 Dhin ta. Okay, as I told, bigger ta now. Ta, Dhin ta ta. That ta is big side close plus one finger out. Ta, 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 ta. So Dhin ta ta, 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 Dhin ta ta. Okay, got it? Then there is little gap after Dhin ta ta. Okay, so how this is played? Dhin ta ta, Dhin ta ta, Dhin ta ta. Okay, Dhin ta ta, 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 dhin ta ta. Initially you may find it little difficult because it is fast. I am also telling in fast only, because if I play it slow, that rhythm will go, right? So first try like this: dhin ta ta, dhin ta ta, dhin ta ta. Okay, dhin ta ta, dhin ta ta, dhin ta ta. But while practicing little bit, you increase the pace: dhin ta ta, 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 dhin ta ta. Okay, now you can pause the video, practice these three matras first properly, then we move to the next. So dhin ta ta, then there is small gap, very little gap, dhin ta ta. Then you have to pick up ghe dha ta, dhin ta ta ghe dha ta, dhin. So this is ghe. Ghe is very softly you have to play, little like touch should go like this. So dhin ta ta ghe, dhin ta ta ghe. Now I will focus on the next three only. Ghe. Then dha. Dha is again one finger out plus big side out. Dha, 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 dha. So ghe dha, ghe dha, ghe dha, ghe dha, ghe dha, ghe dha. And again at the end only ta, only right side. So ghe dha ta, ghe dha ta, ghe dha ta, ghe dha ta, ghe dha ta. Okay, ghe dha ta, ghe dha ta, ghe dha ta, ghe dha ta. Okay, as I told, practice slowly, then you increase the pace. Ghe dha ta, ghe dha ta, ghe dha ta, ghe dha ta. Okay, but again playing by combining both the mantra, then only we will be able to get the tune of the tal, or what I can say, that same how it has to be applied in the kirtan, like that we will come to know. Now what we will do, I will combine both. Dhin ta ta ghe dha ta, dhin ta ta ghe dha ta, dhin ta ta ghe dha ta, dhin ta ta ghe dha ta. First I will try to play slow. Let's see if I can, because as I told, this is fast beat, so difficult to play slowly. Dhin ta ta ghe, dhin ta ta ghe dha ta, dhin ta ta ghe dha ta. Okay, just give me 1 minute. Okay, dhin ta ta. Okay, sorry. Okay, dhin ta ta ghe dha ta, dhin ta ta ghe dha ta, dhin ta ta ghe dha ta, dhin ta ta ghe dha ta. Dhin ta ta ghe dha ta, dhin ta ta ghe dha ta, dhin ta ta ghe dha ta, dhin ta ta ghe dha ta. Jagannath Swami Nayana Patagami Bhavatu Me. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Dhin ta ta ghe dha ta, dhin ta ta ghe dha ta, dhin ta ta ghe dha ta, dhin ta ta ghe dha ta. Got it? This is also very easy, but initially we find it little difficult, but if you keep practicing, it will come, and very nice, beautiful, right? I would recommend, if you learn kartal for this beat, I have that series for this also. If you learn kartal for 2 beat fast, it will become more easier, because you will already come to know the rhythm, okay, how it has to be played. Okay, now for this I will separately make a application video how we can apply in the kirtan. Okay, Hare Krishna.